Thank you for using our products. This video clip is designed to show you HDD installation procedures. Please opening up the accessory box. You will find the CMS CD, manual book, screws, remote controller, combo cable, adapter, and a power cable. Please fastening the screws and separating them from the sides. Then please opening the top cover. Please fastening the screws from the brackets and separating them from the DVR. Now assembling HDD on the brackets and tightening the screws. Then installing assembled HDD back on the DVR. Please connecting the power and combo cable showing on the screen. You must install HDD into number 1 SATA port and your DVD-CD read writer into number 4 SATA port. Closing the top cover and tightening the screws. Power on the DVR, please click System on the top of the screen and click Admin. Click Added on the Format table. Pop-up window will ask you to reboot the DVR. Click OK to format HDD. Now format is in progress. The live videos will be appearing on the screen after reboot. Please click System on the top of the screen and click Admin. Three small dots will be marked on the format table. Congratulations, you have completed HDD installation. Thank you for watching our video clips. Please keep watching this video until you fully understood the procedure. If you are having difficulties during installations, please contact your local distributor for technical support. Thank you.